Are you ready to unleash your creativity, share your passion with the world, and maybe even make some money while doing it? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll be discussing the current monetization requirements on YouTube and providing tips for enthusiastic beginners like yourself. So let's dive right in. Transition to host sitting in front of a camera in a well-lit, inviting room. Host: hey there, fellow creators. I'm Top 10 Guy, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. YouTube has become an incredible platform for content creators to express themselves, connect with an audience, and even generate income. So let's talk about the current monetization requirements. Slide: current monetization requirements on YouTube. 1. 1,000 subscribers. You need at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. 2. 4,000 watch hours. You must have accumulated 4,000 watch hours on your channel within the past 12 months. 3. AdSense account. You need to have an approved AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel for monetization. Now that you know the requirements, let's discuss some tips for enthusiastic beginners who are just starting their YouTube journey. Tip 1. Find your passion. Host: the first tip is to find your passion. What excites you? What topic or niche can you talk about for hours? Discovering your passion will fuel your motivation, keep you engaged, and attract like-minded viewers. Tip 2. Define your target audience. Next, define your target audience. Who are you creating content for? Understanding your audience's interests, needs, and preferences will help you tailor your content and connect with them on a deeper level. Tip 3. Consistency is key. Host: consistency is crucial on YouTube. Aim to upload content regularly, whether it's once a week or twice a month. Consistency builds trust with your audience and signals to YouTube that you're committed to your channel. Tip 4. Optimize your videos. Host: optimize your videos for searchability. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your content appear in search results and attract new viewers. Tip 5. Engage with your community. Host: engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. Building a loyal audience is not just about uploading videos, it's about building relationships. Tip 6. Collaborate with other creators. Host: collaborate with other creators in your niche. Collaborations expose you to new audiences and introduce your content to potential subscribers. It's a win-win situation. Host: and remember, monetization should not be the sole focus of your YouTube journey. While making money is a fantastic goal, it's important to prioritize creating quality content and connecting with your viewers. Once you meet the requirements, you can start monetizing through ads, channel memberships, merchandise, and more. Host: so, whether you're a beginner or someone considering starting a channel, know that YouTube is waiting for you to make your mark. Embrace your creativity, stay persistent, and enjoy the process. I can't wait to see what you'll create. Narrator: thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Remember, you have what it takes to succeed on YouTube. Keep pushing forward, and until next time, happy creating.